Are you looking for a brush making machine to start producing brushes and brooms, or expand production capacity? Are you confused about where to buy a good brush making machine? Don't know how to operate a brush making machine? Are you too busy to travel long distance to visit each manufacturer and spend a few days learning on site? This video just may help you. Hello there, I'm really glad to have you here for my first ever episode. I'd like to begin by introducing myself and telling you what this channel is about. I'm Mei Feng. I'm the Export Director of TOPSTAR Brush Machine. TOPSTAR Brush Machine Company Limited has been a manufacturer and exporter of diverse brush machineries since 2002. Please check out the website down below to learn more about us. What is the channel about? My channel name is Brush Machine Academy. I share here all the knowledge about brush machines, especially how to operate a brush machine, how to troubleshoot, how to make adjustments properly, etc. Since the outbreak of epidemic in 2020, I have been guiding our overseas customers in online training and troubleshooting. My team has been taking this way to provide off-site services, and we have been successful. Because of our rich experience, we have saved our customers a lot of training and after-sales service costs. Without further ado, in this first ever episode, I will give you a detailed introduction about what you will learn in the training. Let's get started. A complete brush machine training course consists of 8 chapters. Chapter 1. How to start a brush machine. Is it just a matter of plugging in and turning on? No, it's not that simple. You have some preparations to do. You need to check out, for example, voltage, brake motor, air pressure, and there may be alarmed prompts. I will share an episode to teach you how to start a brush machine properly. If you don't want to miss any lessons, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. Chapter 2. Do a dry run test. What will you do after starting a brush machine? Start production immediately? No. We will first do a dry run test. What is a dry run test? Why we have to do a dry run test? The dry run test is to check whether the machine head is running normally. Is there any noise? Make sure everything is okay after long distance transportation. Especially for the large brush machines that were disassembled and packed. You check whether you strictly follow our guides to reinstall it in the right way. Also, there will be a tutorial video in this chapter. Chapter 3. Do wire cutting test. Wire cutting is an important part of making brushes. How to thread the wire correctly. How to make the wire feed smoothly and continuously. How to make good cuts and shapes. They are all important. Chapter 4. How to program a brush. This is very important lesson. Different manufacturers use different software and different brushes. Use different functions. Take a low sweeping brush roller as an example. It has different hole patterns, such as straight, staggered, spiral, arm-shaped, V-shaped, trapezoid, etc. You will use different functions for programming. No matter what brush, you must master some programming rules. For example, setting a starting point, keeping drilling and tufting depth consistent, etc. Subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any lessons. Chapter 5. Test drilling and tufting, or tufting only, that is, start normal work. Before doing normal tufting or drilling and tufting, you need to do a lot of preparations. Different brushes have different holes and use different fibers. You may need to change tufting accessories, wires, fibers, clamps, and so on. There are many things to learn in this chapter. I will share them one by one. During the normal working process, you must pay attention to many things to produce qualified products. For example, whether the fold fiber ends are uniform, whether the fiber ends are gathered or dispersed, etc. Chapter 6. Troubleshoot the common brush machine problems. What are the common failures? How to solve them? Do you often encounter the problem of monofilaments jamming? Are you troubled by the wire not being cut properly? Does your machine often stop due to excessive pressure? Is the monofilament often slipped? Or do you have other complex machine problems? You can leave me a message down there. Tell me what problems you encountered. Thanks. Chapter 7. Tufting Accessories Adjustment. In this section, I will share some installation tips for the main tufting accessories. I have discussed with several clients which companies' accessories are better, such as Zarensky, Bogie, and which company's spare part has a lower failure rate. I think this is a matter of opinion. Each company's system has its advantages and disadvantages. As long as you learn the installations and adjustment skills, you can avoid many problems and save a lot of accessory cost. Chapter 8. Machine Maintenance. What is the lifespan of TOPSTAR brush machines? How to maintain brush making machine? First of all, the machine should be cleaned well, lubricated regularly, and maintained regularly. The machines can be used for a long time, for example 10 years or even 20 years or more. Some of our old customers are still using the machines that they bought from us 20 years ago. It can continuously create value for you. That's the 8 chapters of training course for today's video. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification. And leave me a comment down there. Let me know what your idea is, or tell me what you want to know in the next video. Thanks. I'm Mei Feng. Create value, provide value. I'd like to say a big thank you to all of you for watching today. I will see you in the next video. See ya!